What's up, boys? What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today we're just gonna cruise. Basically double date with my friend, with Baldo and his girl, me and my girl. She's holding for dear life. So this is the second time my girl's come with me to a bike ride. I'm happy. She doesn't really like it. I don't know why. We're gonna cruise to one of the spots we like to go for the views, you know. Skirt, skirt. So this is gonna be the first time she goes on the freeway, and she does not want to go on the freeway. So you good? All she wanted to do is Aprilia gang. This is sexy.
I don't want to go this fast.
You'll be fine. conditioning was no joke, bro. I was a jumper and I did sprint workouts. I didn't touch the jump pit till barely before season started. Shit was mad crazy. Is she hating it? You know you love it. Y'all ever been up here? Let me know in the comments, because y'all know what's up. Y'all know the vibes. 3 years ago, me and my friends would line up right here when it was red light, and as soon as it was green, oh, it was go. 13 bikes on go. Just racing up this hill. Good old times. R.I.P. Kendall. Kendall was my old bike, 06 Yamaha R1. She did me so well. My first bike, actually. I never ridden a street bike before her. That was my first bike. People were like, oh, learn 300, learn 600 first. I said, no thank you. No, you gotta do what you want to do. Running through the 6th with my woes. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Shout out to my girl, bro. I'm so proud of her. She said she would never go on a bike with me, but she overcame her fears. I don't know. She might be scared shitless because that was the first time she was ever on the freeway, but I'm proud of her. She did so good. So shout out to you, babe. My little warrior. My man's putting that work in. About bikes is if there is no spots, just park right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the fucking views from up here, bro. How was that? Look at her, she's so... Are you really mad? You don't want to be on the bike ever again?
No.
Aww. I was talking good about you too. I'm gonna call it Uber. She loves her Polaroid.
Ready?
How do you want? Direct it.
Go ahead, direct her, man.
This film's black and white, so we'll see how it comes out.
With their pose.
Yeah, it's all
With their, yeah.
perfect. You guys have the sun in the middle. Okay, 1, 2.
Wow.
Oh man. Let me be cute.
We want the sun. We want the sun in the middle. Okay, just stay right there.
Trying to be all cute and shit right now.
I guess we over here
Photo shooting.
doing a photo shoot.
Phone shooting.
Right here, behind here.
What did you expect at sunset?
Right here, Baldo.
Oh,
Let me see
oh,
you
you
right
give me all this cute shit.
Shit, like that. Damn,
Okay,
cute as
hey.
fuck.
Oh, we got it.
Fashion Nova man, sign him up.
Instagram 2020.
So wait, what are we doing right now, man?
I don't know.
You want me to take a picture?
I'm looking at angles.
All right, let's go over here.
Yeah, but this is a cool plant.
chilling.
Oh, how cute.
Through right there, bro. Through right there. That is the shot.
This is the shot.
Damn, it's so nice right now.
Bro, it's fresh out here.
So yeah, let me know if you guys have ever been here. This place is dope. If you live in SoCal, obviously North County. There, a lot of people watch up there. You can see that side, but you can see this side. Alright, I'm the model here. What am I doing?
Take a picture of me like this.
So that's what I'm doing? Like right here?
Yeah, but from the other way.
Wait, what? What are we doing? So we're just gonna get each other. Wait, what do you want me to go for?
I'm just gonna take one of these.
Oh, look at that. That's so fucking cute. Oh, look. That's so fucking cute right there. Oh my gosh. Damn. Cuteness overload over here. Paparazzi over here.
I'm over here like looking all all doo-doo face. Yeah. Wait, you want to do something?
Oh, okay. We're the photographers today. Oh, work it. Work it.
Have fun.
Okay, hold on. My wallet's probably gonna fall.
Bro, views for real.
Okay, one, two.
Good job, man.
Yeah, you straight up had your arm across my neck.
At least one of them.
Hey, show them booty cheeks. Shell, show booty.
There's a lot of people. Yeah, let me see that butt. Let me see that butt.
Every time I just stick my tongue out automatically.
The sun just set. Or it's setting right now, actually. Hello, people up here.
Tony would be having a field day today.
I know, right? Damn. Damn.
I appreciate it every time I do it.
Views are done. Time to go eat. Ben, how'd you feel when you first got on the bike?
No.
Hated it?
Hate it.
How did you first feel when you went and bought those bikes?
I loved it.
Two types of females out here in the world. Mine's broken, so I need a new one. I'm just playing. Boba vlog.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Oh, she buckled it.
10 out of 10.
It's always a 10 out of 10 here.
I agree. I agree. So what are the next double day ideas?
Palomar.
La Jolla, Palomar, Dragonese.
Palomar, Dragonese.
We're gonna go kayaking. Actually, we're gonna kayak. Kayaking, that's gonna be dope.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't messing with the ocean.
I'm scared shitless of the ocean.
I don't fuck with the
Like
ocean.
deep though.
Why?
This one isn't. She's not. He is.
I don't fuck with
Probably
But it's gonna be fun with like more people. It's like I'm not gonna be the one. I'm less the one chosen for the shark to go for.
I don't like not knowing what's around me. That's why I don't like the ocean.
Yeah, you can't see.
Yeah, you're just chilling there, and then everything around you have no idea what's around you.
You're like on a tiny thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but look up the chances of ever getting bit by a shark, because like some of my family who they've been like surfing their whole life and stuff, they've never seen a shark. Like nobody they know has been bit by a shark, so it's like your chances are low. How many people you know crashed a motorcycle?
A fuck ton.
Me twice.
Yeah.
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 Me once.
Yeah, like literally
Love
everyone.
sharks.
Yeah. There's two types of riders. Those who have fallen and those who have yet to fall. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's facts. First week you crashed?
Yeah.
Ooh. On the Daytona?
Grom.
On the Grom. Well, yeah, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.